Paying rent with Bilt is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your Bilt to pay the rent. So for that, you just have to open up the Bilt application. In my case, I am not using my phone just because this app is not available in my region. This is how it should look in your mobile phones. So here under these options, under these icons, you will see this icon, which is pay rent. You just have to tap on this pay rent icon and it will take you to this page. Now here you have two options. The first one is pay by check and the second one is pay rent online. So here it totally depends upon you how you want to pay. If you want to pay on check, you just have to select this option and set up a check payment. And the second thing is pay rent online. Now let me tell you the difference between these two things. Now pay rent online means it will instantly transfer your money from your Bilt to the next person's account. Now, pay by check means you can set up the check payments, and what it will do is it will take about 7 to 14 days, which means it will take from 1 week to 2 weeks for transferring money from your Bilt account to the receiver. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Bilt to pay for your rent. Hope you guys find this video helpful.